Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's going to be me and who else? Tracy versus two rank 21 resistance players. Let's move on with the battle. I built two barracks in order to produce those assaults for container collection. Okay, I am neatly collecting all those containers. I got that container, that one as well. Okay, and I'll get that one too. Okay, I went HQ level 3, so was Tracy. And this map is kind of tricky, guys, because on my base area they can attack from multiple sides, and it's really bad for me. With Chameleon they can attack from multiple sides. Okay, let's go. I build a bunker just in case, and an annoying coyote was two coyotes were there to scout Tracy's base, but I am going to deny that with my delta. Deny, rather kill them. Okay, I went HQ level 4. Okay, I told Tracy that I'll produce vehicles, and he told me he's gonna produce aviation. That's neat. One will watch one's back. That was our plan. Okay, I went to scout yellow. Okay, impressive. Already HQ level 4, and he's going full land army composition. That is Jaguar, Chameleon, and Porcupine. Okay, I went to scout out the red, but he denied my scout with the Jaguar. Okay, I'm building Zeus, Shield, Typhoon, and Torrents. I like playing with vehicles, guys, because it's really nice to play with vehicles. Okay, I'm slowly building up my Zeus count. I knew that they both gonna come for me because it's my base is more vulnerable for attacks. Like they can attack from multiple sides. Okay, Tracy is gonna scout the yellow player. Okay, very impressive, very impressive. He scored a lot of units out. Okay, red player is also doing the same. They were not weak players, guys. They were really strong. Like they knew what they were doing. Okay, I got 2 shields out and about 10 Zeus. That's enough for me to defend. Okay, in this game I am not going to attack like I used to be because they both were going land. I will be simply outnumbered. I can't do anything. Okay, the yellow player is already here. Okay, he's coming in with this JCP army. I didn't move. Okay, I gave him a surprise by force bearing and killing almost about 5 Jaguars there. That's nice for me. Okay, Tracy managed to snipe one Chameleon there. Very good, bro. You are imba. Tracy is always imba, man. Tracy got full camping setup around there, because if I die, he'll survive. He's a guy, that kind of guy who plays 2v1, not like me. Size noob. Okay, let's go. Okay, and okay, they are slowly moving into the middle of the map, and at that point they can attack anyone like me or Tracy. Okay, let's go. I'm trying to force way here. Okay, I missed my shield a little bit there. I lost it, or they force fire on my shield. My shield was the yellow player is from the other side. I managed to destroy the yellow player here. And come on, my Zeus and shield. He destroyed my shield, and the red player is from the other side. Tracy was trying to bomb here, but he retreated, seeing that I destroyed all the yellow players' units. Okay, again they are coming. I don't have a shield here, guys, but I am trying my best. My Zeus, come on, my beast, you are very strong. Yeah, you are indestructible. Yeah, I'm force firing here. Okay, and he lost a lot of units there, so he retreated. Okay, that was quite hard defending, guys, attacking from both sides. Yellow and red were both ganging up on me. Okay, and the red player now has what? Hawks. I built some typhoons at the start of the game just in case of any dragonfly or like hawk shenanigans. I don't wanna make my base undefended. Okay, I built a construction yard there because everybody say wall spamming is part of camping. It's not, guys. If the Chameleon and Jaguars are really fast, they could sneak in. We have to build the walls. Zeus are really slow. We all know that. It's not part of camping. It's just we have to survive, right? That's a part of the game. Okay, I built some walls around there. Okay, neat. And there goes another construction at there, and I blocked that entrance too. Okay, Trace is going full camping setup. If I die, he'll survive. That's the game. Okay, there's a lot of cyclones, and they don't know about that. The red player is sneaking in from the other side. Okay, clever, but not today, bro. Not today. Okay, I'm slowly moving with my Zeus and my torrents and my shield. Okay, I'm trying to force fire it. Okay, and Trace is helping me with his cyclones. Everybody knows about Trace's cyclones. Okay, cyclones are history before he started using them. Okay, the yellow player is trying desperately to sneak in there. That's a lot of units. Okay, now I'm trying to force fire there. Trace is gonna. Okay, come on guys, run. Oh, wait guys, run slowly, man. The Jaguars are running from there. Okay, they can't do anything. The same goes to Vikings. They have no anti-air. Vikings need anti-air. Comforts need justice. Okay, so it goes. Okay, the red is here with his hawks. It's really bad for us. Okay, and I told Tracy that I am gonna attack the yellow player because I have some typhoons. That'll be good anti-air, as well as have some vehicles. Okay, Tracy retreated with his cyclones, and he told me that he's gonna bomb those buildings, factories. There's a lot of those. Very solid hit, and the red player is desperately here to help his partner, but no guys, we got a lot of units. Yellow also mined at the front of his base. That's really bad for me, but rank 21 Zeus shield, don't die easy. Okay, I'm hitting the mines hardly. Okay, my Zeus are badly boosted. Okay, there goes cyclones, and then force firing and kill the scaling. And now the Zeus Jaguars will melt like butter. Okay, there it goes. Now I'm going straight for the HQ guys, because he can't do anything without any porters. Okay, here it goes, and pretty much that's gonna be it for this game guys. And Tracy is gonna bomb the other guy's HQ. We are HQ lovers. We took both their HQs. Okay, and it was a really interesting fight guys. Without Tracy's help with cyclones and his aviation, I couldn't survive this battle. It was a really nice game. I always like to play with them, really think. And for interesting battles like this, subscribe and share your thoughts in the form of comments guys. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching. It's me signing off, and I love space, so I'm gonna end their suffering with the space. Here it goes, and bam, and that's gonna be it guys. Bye. Sai signing off.